Hey y'all, this is Bitty Boo, aka Dana, and I've entered a fall challenge with Arlene's Country Corner and Sweet Daisy Creations with Kim. The rules was it must contain a plaque, which I have there, a pumpkin plaque from Dollar Tree. It must contain a garland. Well, I have a garland, that's the only one I've got. And it must be on a ladder, a table, or a basket to build a cozy corner on. Well, I was using my garland for my hutch, so this is what my cozy corner is being built on. Please forgive the sides and the top. I have no trim up yet. I have been repainting. But anyway, this is not showing too... Ooh. Anyway, I made the flower arrangement on top. There's two little scarecrows sticking out there. I can't tell how good y'all can see this. And then there's my dishes. My dishes are used daily, so the hutch is used daily. I have two old lanterns that I put little swag toppers on. And no, Kim, these are not the ones this is not the ones I gutted. You'll get to see that later. I put little tea light candles in there. I use molding clay to hold them up because I didn't want to run the inside of the lantern. Just in case we have a power outage, I can put fuel in those and light them. They have a little, I don't know if y'all can see them very good. I tried, y'all. But this is getting rough holding this up. There's my cake platter I found at Goodwill. I love that thing. The front of the hutch was pretty much done, but I have big dogs and their tails knock the embellishments off. Let's see. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. Not really, it's too dark. Hold on. That's as you come in my front door. Hold it. Tail from a dog. But anyway, this is as you come in my front door. I'll back up here. Maybe you can see it a little better now with the door open. Yeah, not really. But now we'll shut the door and turn off the light where you can kind of see what it'll look like at night. I've still got candles I want to add to it, but that's gonna have to wait a minute. I'm sorry, y'all. That's pretty much how it looks at night. The living room light's on though, so that won't be on. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm just now getting into this decorating stuff, so bear with me, y'all. Sorry. I love you each and every one. Y'all take care. Bye.